Alright y'all, so let's jump into this wash and go video. Let me first start off by saying this is not a tutorial. I'm not a professional. This is my first ever wash and go, and I don't claim to be that knowledgeable about natural hair. If you did see my previous video on my Aztec clay mask, you will hear me say I haven't been doing my natural hair that long at all. So the star of this project is, as you just saw, the Eco Styler gel. That's what I'll be using for this wash and go. That's the only product I'm using besides water and the Eco Styler gel. The night before, I prepped my hair and I moisturized it with the Carol's Daughter hair milk. But other than that, those are the only products that I have on my hair. This video is very self-explanatory. I don't need to explain much. I only use one technique, and that is kind of considered the raking technique. So I just took the gel, got a lot of it on my fingers, and raked it through my hair. That's the only thing I did throughout this whole video. I parted in very small sections, or small sections for me, and I just repeated this process throughout my whole head. As well as you'll see me spraying my hair. That's just water in this spray bottle. I'm just dampening the hair so that it is wet when I'm doing this process. After all, it is a wash and go, and since I didn't just freshly wash my hair, I'm spraying it to give it that feel as if it was just freshly washed. So I'm giving it like that soaking wet feel and then coating it with the gel. Also, I'm pretty curious to hear from y'all as to what type hair you think I have. I know I have type 4 hair texture, but I'm not sure if it is a 4C or a 4B. I'm pretty torn between the two textures, and after defining my curls, I'm kind of leaning more towards 4B. I'm just not sure, so I would like to hear from you guys down below as of what hair texture you believe I have. And let's just be clear, hair typing is not a big deal. It really does not matter. Every single person's hair is unique to them. I am asking this because I would like to know how to title my videos or how to market my videos towards a specific hair type, so that people who have similar hair type to me can find my videos easily and get the help that they need as far as watching a similar hair texture. As I get closer to the front of my hair, you can tell the texture is a lot looser. It comes from me straightening my hair and wearing sew-ins and things like that. So I had to work a lot harder to get the texture to define. And you can see as well, I still have some heat damage hanging on at the front that I went ahead and cut some of it off. But we're working with it. We're working with this texture to get it all right. But I am a beginner, so this is my finished results of my first ever wash and go. And for most of you naturals, you already know, but for those of you who do not, the white cast on my hair will go away once my hair dries. So y'all, this is like my final wash and go shebang or whatever. Some of these pieces right here are really heat damaged, so they don't look like what I would want. And honestly, I think it turned out good for a first time wash and go, but I think that I should have took my time in some sections. Some sections I should have moved a little bit slower, and I should have used smaller portions, but this is overall how it looks. It's the back. Now I really can't tell what the back look like, so hopefully it's good, but you guys can see, and I'll see it on camera when I finish. But this is the back. This is the other side. of my hair, and this is the front. And I just got these clips right here. I was trying to like kind of stretch my roots down. So I'm gonna take that off for a second so I can see kind of the full potential. I guess once it all dries. And I know you're not supposed to be doing this. Let me stop. So I'm gonna do the little shake method. Woo! It's supposed to clump your curls even more when you shake, but are you supposed to shake when your hair is dry? I didn't even think about that. Like, I don't know if you're supposed to wait till your hair is completely dry then shake, or you're supposed to shake while it's still got gel on it. But anyway, this is my first attempt at a wash and go, you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know down below. Please leave me any tips that you may have, any techniques that I need to try to get a successful wash and go. I'm really new at this natural hair journey, and I'm very new at like styling my natural hair. So I usually just have natural hair but put it under protective styles like braids and sew-ins and stuff like that. But I really want to give a wash and go a try, especially after doing the Bentonite clay mask video, and that should be linked up in the cards because I have already filmed that video. So check out my clay mask. That was also my first time trying that. So you will be seeing some new videos from me as in regards to natural hair because I am new to the natural hair journey. Not necessarily new as in terms of being newly natural. I've been natural for a few years. I even actually went Tex-Lax before, and you guys seen some of those videos. But as far as being in the natural community and like actually trying products and trying styles, I am new to this. So leave any of your tips and tricks down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.